Hello there from all of us at BaseianQuest.com. So we start a new project, and this project is about building a self-learning recommendation system using reinforcement learning. Now this series is part of your Build Your AI-powered business application series, where we build business applications using AI or machine learning. So for information on other series we already have, you can visit or subscribe to the blog and your YouTube channel. The links are here in this slide. Let's get going. Let's first take a look at the path we will tread in this whole series. The first post is on an introduction on recommendation systems and reinforcement learning. So here what we do is we'll just introduce you to recommendation systems and how reinforcement learning can be used to build a recommendation systems. Now we will be using a specific kind of recommendation or a reinforcement learning problem called the bandit problem, and we will be using that to build the recommendation systems. So we will be introducing all these concepts in the first post, and the next post we will look deep into what bandit problems are and with some worked examples for solving a bandit problem. So here we start coding in Jupyter notebooks about bandit problems, a couple of implementations of the bandit problem here. And the third post is on setting the context in terms of building the recommendation systems as a bandit problem. So here we do a little bit of exploratory data analysis on the retail data sets and set the context or set the states and other aspects of reinforcement learning in the third blog post. And the fourth or fifth blog post is all about how do you build those prototype in using Jupyter Notebook. So here the building this online or self-learning recommendation systems is a long process, and we will be coding that or building the prototype in slides 4 and 5 or the post 4 and 5. And the last two posts, 6 and 7 of the series, would be about how to build a production grade code out of the prototype which we have built in building this online learning or self-learning recommended systems. So here what we will do is we will be building our code in Python scripts, and then we'll look at strategies of how do you productionize this to build as an application. So this is the overall path we would tread in this whole series.